So, what if I told you that one of the most powerful superfoods on the entire planet is probably sitting in your grocery store right now, just waiting for you? Today, we are diving deep into the incredible science behind beet juice and the truly powerful changes it can kick off inside your body.
I mean, it seems almost too simple to be true, doesn't it? Could one of the absolute best ways to boost your health and your physical performance really be growing right there in your backyard? Well, the science says a very loud, very clear yes.
And listen, this isn't some new fad. We are talking about a tradition that goes all the way back to ancient Egypt, where they used it to treat illnesses, right up to today, where you'll find elite athletes using it to get that extra competitive edge. So what is the big secret?
Well, the magic here, it's not actually magic at all. It is pure, amazing science. You see, the incredible benefits of beets all come down to a few key compounds that start some really powerful chain reactions in your body. Let's break down exactly what's happening.
Okay, so the absolute star of the show is nitrates. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but these are not the synthetic kind you find in processed meats. Nope, these are naturally occurring compounds that once you drink them, kickstart a pretty fascinating process.
The process itself is actually super simple. It's an elegant two-step. First, you drink the juice. Then, your body's own chemistry goes to work, transforming those natural nitrates into this powerhouse molecule called nitric oxide. Now, you gotta remember that name, nitric oxide. It is the key to pretty much everything we're about to talk about.
All right, let's start with the deep internal work that's going on. Think of this as a full-body tune-up that supports some of your most vital organs. And we're gonna start with your liver and your brain.
Yeah, this is where beet juice works like an internal mechanic for two of your body's powerhouses. For your liver, there's a compound called betaine, and it helps support the liver's natural detox process. And for your brain, that nitric oxide we just mentioned, it boosts blood flow and oxygen, which can translate directly to better focus and sharper thinking.
But honestly, the benefits go even deeper than that, like all the way down to the cellular level. And this is where we start to see some truly astonishing effects on things like your cholesterol and even your DNA. The numbers here are, well, they're pretty remarkable.
Okay, get this. Some studies show that beet juice can lower your bad LDL cholesterol by as much as 13%. But here's the real kicker. This can happen within just 1 hour of drinking it. That is an incredibly fast-acting response.
And if you thought that was wild, this next number is even more staggering. Research suggests that compounds in beets, these things called betalains, can reduce DNA damage by up to 40%. Now that's a massive deal because protecting your DNA is directly linked to protecting your cells from carcinogens and slowing down tumor growth.
All right, let's shift gears. We've talked about deep internal health. Now let's talk about external performance. This right here is why you'll find so many athletes with beet juice stocked in their fridges. It is a natural, it's legal, and it's a seriously effective way to power up your body.
One of its most famous effects is what it does for blood pressure. And you guessed it, this all comes back to our friend nitric oxide. It acts as a powerful vasodilator. And that's really just a fancy scientific term for something that helps your blood vessels chill out and widen, which takes a ton of pressure off your heart. And this gives you a perfect picture of what's happening. Before, you've got these constricted, narrow arteries, which forces your heart to work way harder. But after the beet juice does its thing, that nitric oxide allows those same arteries to open up, which immediately brings the pressure down. It's such a simple mechanical change, but it has huge implications for your health. So what does all this actually mean for your workout? Well, wider blood vessels mean more oxygen can get delivered to your muscles, and that directly translates into more stamina. You can just go longer. Plus, beets are also packed with potassium and choline, and those are crucial for making sure the electrical signals between your nerves and your muscles are firing on all cylinders. And you know what? The benefits aren't just about how you feel on the inside or how you perform. They can also affect how you look and even how you see the world around you. Hey, remember those betalains that protect your DNA? Well, they're back. They also act as powerful antioxidants for your skin, helping to fight off the free radical damage that can lead to wrinkles and other signs of aging. And it doesn't stop there. Beets also have an antioxidant called lutein, which actually works to protect your vision by helping shield your retinas from harmful light and stress. Okay, so we've gone through a ton of science here. After all that, what are the big ideas? What are the main things you should really walk away with from this explainer? Let's just boil it down to the 4 crucial points. Number 1, beet juice is a proven way to lower blood pressure. 2, it boosts your physical stamina. 3, Internally, it helps your liver and your brain work better. And 4, on a microscopic level, it gives your cells some powerful protection from damage. It's basically a multi-system upgrade from a single glass of juice.
And all of that leaves us with one final question to think about. When you've got benefits this wide-ranging, from your brain to your blood, all the way down to your very DNA, it really makes you wonder, could adding something this simple to your routine be one of the smartest health investments you ever make?